Salesforce Admin Winter 23 dumps. 46. Northern Trail Outfitters has hired interns to enter leads into Salesforce and has requested a way to identify these new records from existing leads. What approach should an administrator take to meet this requirement? A. Define a record type and assign it to the interns. B. Create a separate lead Lightning app. C. Update the active lead assignment rules. D. Set up web to lead for the interns' use. Answer A. Define a record type and assign it to the interns. 47. An administrator at DreamHouse Realty wants an easier way to assign cases based on agent capacity and skill set. Which feature should the administrator enable to meet this requirement? A. Omni-Channel. B. Territory management. C. Knowledge management. D. Escalation rules. Answer A. Omni-Channel. 48. Computing wants to prevent users from updating the account annual revenue field to be a negative value or an amount more than $100 billion. How should an administrator accomplish this request? A. Build a scheduled report displaying accounts with account revenue that is negative or greater than $100 billion. B. Make the account revenue field required on the page layout. C. Enable account revenue limits in setup, with 0 as the minimum and $100 billion as the maximum. D. Create a validation rule that displays an error if account revenue is below 0 or greater than $100 billion. Answer D. Create a validation rule that displays an error if account revenue is below 0 or greater than $100 billion. 49. The support manager at CloudKicks wants to respond to customers as quickly as possible. They have requested that the response include the top 5 troubleshooting tips that could help solve the customer's issue. What should the administrator suggest to meet these requirements? A. Assignment rules. B. Knowledge articles. C. Auto response rules. D. Email alters. Answer C. Auto response rules. 50. Universal Containers is trying to improve the user experience when searching for the right status on a case. The company currently has one support process that is used for all record types on cases. The support process has 10 status values. Service reps say they never need more than 5 depending on what kind of case they are working on. How should the administrator improve on the current implementation? A. Review which status choices are needed for each record type and create support processes for each that is necessary. B. Create a screen flow that shows only the correct values for status and surface the flow in the utility bar of the console. C. Reduce the number of case status values to 5. D. Values edit the status choices directly on the record type. Answer A. Review which status choices are needed for each record type and create support processes for each that is necessary. For more information visit this site www.salesforcestart.com.